The Legal Services Authorities Act and the establishment of the national and state level legal services authorities are aimed at providing equal justice and free legal aid across the country to all citizens. Various state level Panchayat Raj Acts help with the organization of village panchayats. As I have mentioned, the Rural Employment Guarantee Act and the various government policies address the right to work. The RTE Act and the system of government schools work towards the right to education. The Senior Citizen Act, the system of government hospitals and other agencies work towards public assistance in certain cases such as old age, sickness and disablement. The Factories Act and the Maternity Benefit Act are aimed at providing just and humane conditions of work and maternity relief. The Minimum Wages Act and the various other rules address the objectives of providing a living wage for all workers, agricultural, industrial or otherwise. The legislations like the Trade Unions Act and the Industrial Dispute Act enable the participation of the workers in the management of industries.